Hello guys, so Romuald here and today may tuturo ko sa inyo kung ano yung tatlong game quest na pwede nyong gawin sa loob ng 1 week since malapit na tapos yung gap, and make sure to tune in until the end dahil may bonus tip tayo. So yung first quest natin na pwede nyong gawin within 1 week is yung sa Aniches. Bale, yung quest na yun is yung the opening move. So scroll down lang tayo. So nakalagay dito, play at least one quick match game. So, punta tayo sa Aniches. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, yun nga, create kayo na account sa Aniches, lagin nyo yung same Google account with your YDB account. So, meron ditong quick match. So, click mo lang to quick match, then class or like, malin lang dyan. So, try natin class. So, once na matapos mo yung quick match dito sa Aniches, make sure to screenshot it and post to Twitter, including the hashtag and mention. After that, yun, join this quest and submit form. So, yung second quest naman na pwede natin gawin within 1 week is yung Mystery Society. So, yung quest na yun is yung pointing fingers. Click lang natin to. And makikita natin dito, kaya nakalagay dito, hindi daw magka-count yung in-game activity natin before November 13. So, dapat after November 13 yung nagawa natin na task dito. So, nakalagay dito, find at least 30 clues while playing matches. So, make sure to find 30 clues and it will not take some days naman to find 30 clues. Ilang games lang yan, guys. And nakalagay dito, so check natin yung game. Yan, yung game. So, nakasakit tayo dun sa lobby. And guys, so ganun lang yung quest sa Mystery Society. Kailangan nila makahanap ng 30 clues. And so find at least 30 clues as a quest in-game. So after nyo makahanap ng 30 clues sa mga game matches nyo, and nakalagay din dito, you should provide your in-game username in the submission form for the quest check. Make sure to fill up this form and join this quest, then submit ka ng form. And make sure na yung Mystery Society email mo is same sa drop na account na ginagamit. Ayan, so yung last but not the least na game natin na pwedeng laruin within 1 week is yung Blast Royale. So ano bang quest sa Blast Royale yung pwede nating ma-achieve within 1 week? So yun yung time to blast off. Click lang natin and scroll down. So ayan, yung kailangan natin gawin is download Blast Royale and sign up for an account. Next one is link your first light ID to your Blast Royale account. So yung third one is reach at least level 10 in the Blast Pass. So ito yung mga criteria na kailangan natin gawin. Nakalagay siya dito, kailangan nyo submit yung player ID nyo or kailangan nyo screenshot yung part na to sa account settings. And make sure na matapos nyo hanggang level 10 ang Blast Pass. So, check natin yung game. And so, kailangan natin makompleto tong Battle Pass hanggang level 10. So, hanggang level 10. So, and kailangan nyo lang maglaro ng ilang matches dito within 1 week. So, yung mabibigay kong tips sa inyo is make sure to use same emails sa YDG account nyo and sa mga other games na pinagrind nyo. And kung gusto nyo naman na mag-participate sa Grind for Gap, dahil ko dito sa comment section yung link ng YDG PH Discord para may iba kayong friends na makalaro. In case na yung mga quest is kailangan ng groups or kailangan marami kayo, makakapag-participate kayo dito sa mga quest. So yun lang guys, and thank you sa panonood and I hope na may natutunan kayo.